Paul von Hindenburg's visit to German troops in 1925 occurred during a pivotal time in German history, shortly after he had been elected as the president of the Weimar Republic. This visit was symbolic of Hindenburg's role as a unifying figure for the German military and the nation, particularly during a period of political instability and economic recovery following World War I. Hindenburg's visit to German troops in 1925 was likely intended to boost morale, reinforce the connection between the government and the military, and signal his support for the armed forces. Despite the restrictions imposed by the Treaty of Versailles, which severely limited the size and capabilities of the German military, Hindenburg's presence would have been a strong symbol of national pride and military tradition. Hindenburg's actions as president, including his interactions with the military, would have a lasting impact on German politics. His decision to appoint Adolf Hitler as Chancellor in 1933 under intense political pressure would lead to the downfall of the Weimar Republic and the rise of the Nazi regime. However, in 1925, Hindenburg's visit to the troops was seen as a reaffirmation of traditional German values and a commitment to the nation's recovery and stability.